Welcome back everyone to another Tech Basics tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the GoHighLevel application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search box and now just type in GoHighLevel to begin your search. From the search results, you can tap on the application and here you can see the app details as well as reviews left by users. In order to install it, tap on the install button and this will now begin downloading and installing the application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is done and you can open it up. You may also enable the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the application once the installation is completed. Once the application is launched, you may proceed with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new one. Just agree with the terms and conditions and follow along. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the GoHighLevel application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.